Now we shall pass on to the problem number 10. How will the following items appear in the final accounts for the year ending March 2017? The account is closed in March 2017. So the accounting year is 16-17 because only if the accounting year begins in April 16, it will end in March 2017. So this accounting year is 16-17, the previous year is 15-16, and the coming year, future year is 17-18. This you must be very clear. But this is the accounting year. Okay, now we go to the problem. How will the following items appear in the final accounts of a club for the year ending 31st March? That is 31st March 2017. 31-3-17. 31-3-17. That we got it. This is also regarding the term subscription. What is the amount of subscription received during the year? 40,000. 40,000 it is received in the year 16-17. 40,000. This 40,000 is not fully for the year. Not fully for this year. Go to the second sentence. This includes subscription of 5,000 for 2015-16 and 3,000 for 17-18. What do they try to say? The amount actually received in this year 16-17. This total 40,000 is not for this year alone. In this 40,000, 15-16 amount is there and also 17-18 amount is there. What is the rule for the preparation of income and expenditure? If the amount is related to the accounting year, whether it is paid or not, it should be shown. Other years amount should not be shown. That is the thing. So the amount received during this year is 40,000, but this includes less 15-16 subscription, less 15-16 subscription and also 17-18 subscription. 15-16 subscription is 5,000 and the next year, not this accounting year, previous year and the next year subscription is 3,000 for 17-18. So you can minus these two and write 40 minus 8, 32,000. 40 minus 8, 32,000. So from the amount 40,000, previous year amount 5,000 is minus and the coming year amount 3,000 is also minus. Therefore, from this 40,000, how much is meant for the accounting year 16-17? Only 32,000. And what else is given? Subscription rupees 1,000 is still outstanding for the year 16-17. What it is? Add outstanding for the year 16-17. How much is there still outstanding? 1000 rupees. So the total amount is 33,000. What should be shown in the income and expenditure account? This is the amount that must be shown. And the balance sheet as on 31/3/2017. What should be the item in balance sheet? I said on the asset side, the outstanding income should be returned and the income received in advance should be shown on the liability side. Here the income is subscription. What is the subscription outstanding for the year? That we have written already. This is the outstanding amount, subscription outstanding for 16-17 is 1000. That must be shown on the asset side. And what about the liability side? And on the liability side, what is the amount of subscription received for the future period? Here you can see 17-18 is the future period, and this amount is received in 16-17 itself. Otherwise, we can call it the amount subscription received for 17-18 is received well in advance in 16-17 itself. 16-17 17-18 க்கு தேவையான 3000 ரிசீவ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. So this is the subscription received in advance for the year 17-18. What is the amount received in advance? 3000. So that's all about the final accounts. Once again I repeat it. This type of problems you should go through very carefully. First question is, how will the following items appear in the final accounts of a club? This is the question. So, when the question is about the final accounts, we should prepare the income and expenditure account and the balance sheet. It is not a full-fledged income and expenditure account, it is not a full-fledged balance sheet. Only one item is shown here, that is the subscription. How this subscription will appear in the income and expenditure account? How the same subscription will appear under balance sheet? This is our question now. So first we shall prepare income and expenditure account. Subscription is an income, so that should be shown on the income side. What rule or what idea we should have in mind? Whether the subscription for this year 16-17 is received or not. If it is received or not received, outstanding if it is, we should show it. And in that case, the total amount received in the year 16-17 is 40,000. The full amount is not for the year 16-17, and that amount includes for 15-16 5,000 and for the coming year 17-18 3,000. So totally 8,000 is not for this 16-17 from the amount totally received. From the total amount received 40,000, the entire amount is not meant for the accounting year 16-17, but 15-16 5,000 is there in 40,000. For the coming year 17-18 is 3,000 in the account. So 8,000 is not for this 16-17 from the subscription received 40,000. So for these 2 year subscription we should minus and find, we can write there 32,000. But the last line, subscription 1,000 is still outstanding, outstanding 1,000. So for the year 16-17 1,000. So totally 33,000 we should show it there. Okay. Then how the balance sheet should be prepared? In case of balance sheet, the outstanding subscription must be shown on the asset side and the subscription received in advance should be shown on the liability side. The outstanding subscription should be shown on the asset side means for the accounting year how much is pending. For the accounting year how much is outstanding. Accounting year outstanding is 1000, that's what we have written. Therefore, this is outstanding income, outstanding subscription on the asset side. And what about the subscription received in advance? What is the amount of subscription received in advance? Subscription received in advance for 17-18. Since the accounting year is 16-17, 17-18 is the future period. For 17-18, if any amount is received in 16-17, it is received in advance. Say 16-17 is today, 17-18 is tomorrow. If we receive any amount today for tomorrow, it will be the subscription received in advance. Since the subscription is received for 17-18 in the year 16-17 itself, so it is the amount received in advance for 17-18, 3,000. That's all.